Speakers and writers use rhetorical devices to develop a convincing viewpoint. A speaker at a peace rally could use symbols like these to make her purpose and her stand on the issue clear. To persuade her audience to spread peace, she could tell them to offer their enemies an olive branch. The olive branch has been a common symbol for peace since ancient times. Effective symbols clearly support the intended purpose and viewpoint, but symbols that characterize an opposing view also can help strengthen a message. Using symbols that highlight something unjust may inspire people to take action. Another rhetorical device is personification. This speaker gives peace human qualities. We must feed and nurture world peace. Give the world your good thoughts and deeds, and peace will grow and thrive. Personification helps the audience feel more connected to the speaker's purpose, spreading peace. Personification and symbols. These rhetorical devices can add power to any viewpoint and purpose.